everyone, welcome to a new YouTube video. I'm gonna be cooking with my mom, and it's Christmas morning actually, and we're gonna make some good breakfast, we hope. First, we gotta make it. Hey!
Jack, clean that up.
Uh-oh. So, welcome back to On the Road with LJ, and today I'm going to be cooking breakfast. Number one is banana bread. So, now let's put some baking powder in. We already put some chocolate. Baking powder, sugar now, white sugar. Okay, I think we got enough of that. Stir it. Okay, so let's just put a little bit more baking powder in here. We already got some. I think we might need a little. So right now my mom is putting some chocolate chips on it, making them handmade. Now let's put this batter into the plate so we can cook it in the oven. Crank it to full. It's baking. Okay, it looks like we're done with the banana bread. It's out from the oven, and now let's make the next thing, coffee for the adults. Okay, Mom. Oh yeah, she's putting in some milk, I think. Oh, you're making it hot? Okay, the coffee's almost done. Bacon time. Sorry about all this. The actual pans are at the bottom, so I have to take everything out. Sorry. You're cooking, wow. So now that we've basically just finished the bacon, and we're still actually making it. Now hot chocolate actually, and yeah, that looks really good. We gotta make a paste right now, okay guys? Mix it up.
How many more sugar?
Can I do the sugar?
Yeah, you can taste it first. Okay, first we're gonna make like a chocolate sauce.
Okay, let me try it. Is it gonna be hot? It's not hot.
No. Is it sweet enough?
Maybe a little more. I mean, not too much, but like some. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're stirring this hot chocolate. We put about 2 mugs or like cups of milk in here, and then we made this like chocolate syrup first. And while we're mixing that in, okay, put some more milk in.
Ooh.
So yeah, right. Well, I'd try this hot chocolate now. It's good. Yum. By the way, if you can't already tell, which you probably can, I'm just cracking the eggs. So yeah, basically. Yeah, but then some of the eggs get in. Very good. And that way, if anything gets in, it's really big. Should I do all the eggs here?
Yes, please.
5 eggs.
Yes, please. Okay. 5, and then any shells will take out. Okay.
I don't think there's any shells.
Fake milk chocolate since it's artificially sweetened.
8 jars of chocolate. And then you wanna help? I'm gonna bring. Oh, no.
Jack is walking off.
Oh.
Hello, how you feeling about this?
I'm feeling really hungry.
I just want gorgeous. And the avocado and the banana bread. Well, and everything, but you know.
I helped make this all. Oh, I made this bacon. I did it.
Very impressive, Jack.
I made this banana bread with Mom. Yeah. That was fun.
Yeah, I'm good. Take that.
It's definitely
Thank you, sweetheart. Are you taking a picture of your baby? Here. You guys take pictures of your. Oh, you guys take a picture of your plate. No, Mom, you take a picture of your plate. And then put it on Instagram. I made a meal.
Hashtag finally made a meal.
Look at you.
By the way, this is the banana bread recipe that we made. It's really good. I would suggest pausing on this part of the video to see it if you want to make it. I recommend it. Thanks for watching, and this video was basically just a side video of like what we made for Christmas morning, and also the real Christmas video is actually just going to be in a long time because it takes a long time to edit our actual vlogs. So please subscribe, like, tune in to On the Road with LJ, and thanks for watching. Basically, yeah.